Somebody asked about this one in class. We can see it's an improper integral because this function isn't even defined when x is 0. Therefore, our first step is to rewrite this as such. As b approaches 0 from above, the integral from b to 1 of 3 over x dx. So the antiderivative is 3 times the natural log of the absolute value of x. But since all of the x values are positive here, we don't need the absolute value symbols. All right, just continue working this. Using the fundamental theorem of calculus, and then the natural log of 1 is 0. So we're left with the limit as b approaches 0 from the right of a negative 3 natural log of b. And as the input value approaches 0 from the right, the natural log values are going down, 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 approaching negative infinity. And therefore, this limit is positive infinity. Choice D.